Mac.com.
To remove your power key, you're going to take your tool, you're just going to place it underneath right here, and then you're going to take your finger and hold down on the top part and just start prying it back. It should just snap right off. Then to remove the plastic hinge, take your tool, put it on top of the rubber cup, but underneath the actual hinge, and then just start prying it back. And it should just pop. There you go, it's really tiny, just pull it right out. Now get your replacement hinge. You'll notice you have a long continuous piece at the top, and you can tell it's divided down at the bottom, and that corresponds to how we're going to drop it in there. So just drop that hinge in there. If it'll cooperate, it's pretty tiny. And now we're going to use our finger to kind of snap it in place, just on both sides. There we go. All right. Now take your replacement power key, just stick it right on the top there, and we're just going to use our finger to press down so that the clips underneath the power key actually take hold. Let's do that now. Just kind of roll your finger, and your power key is installed.
Mac.com.